And with that, with our winners, PSD LGD, this major has come to an end. I want to give a big thank you to everybody at home for supporting this major the entire time. And I want to give a big shout out to everybody at WePlay, all of the folks who casted and analyzed these matches for a major that I truly think has been one of the most remarkable to happen. And one more huge round of applause for a team that was able to do it so convincingly. Our winners of the Animajor, PSD LGD. One more time, thank you to each and every one of you who watched, and farewell until next time.